Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your birthday on LinkedIn. First of all, of course, you'll need a LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do is just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So, let me just launch my LinkedIn, as you should of course, and here all I need to do is just go and navigate to my profile by just clicking at the top left corner here at my icon here. Then all I need to do is just go and click at view profile. Here of course, for me, my birthday is not even shown on my profile, but for you, how can you hide your profile or your birthday on your profile? So all you need to do is just click here at your settings at the top right corner, or maybe just go back if you want and click at the icon again, then click on settings. You have those two options. Of course, you can here just go and click at account preference. Then all you need to do, just go here and look for this profile information and click at the first one, which is, wait, let me read it again, which is here name, location, and industry. It will take you into your profile again, but all you need to do here is just click at the pen icon here, which is the edit icon. Then all you need to do, just scroll down a bit here, and all you need to do, just click on this blue icon here, or like sentence, which is edit contact info. Click on that, and all you need to do, just come here and scroll down. As you can see here on your birthday, maybe it's set here, so let's just do something like this here. If you have already your birthday, of course it will appear on your profile. For me, I didn't even have my birthday set, that's why it did not show in my profile. But if you want to hide it, of course, just go and click at your network here, or the eye icon here, and as you can see here, who can see maybe your birthday. Of course, if you want to hide it, just click only you, and nobody will be able to see your birthday. Of course, you can change it, of course, to your connections, your network, or all LinkedIn members. So as we said, if you want to hide it, just go and click at only you, then go and click at save. Here you will be, of course, you successfully saved your info, so just go and click at X, go back again, then go back. All you need to do, just go to your profile, and of course you will not find your birthday as well. Of course, you are the only one who's available to see it, but no one else. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.